As a host, admin is the main hub for your Mighty network, and it's easy to get to. Just go to the upper right corner and click admin. We've covered some of these sections in different videos, but at a high level, everything is divided into different sections. You'll see them grouped together nicely in the sidebar. As you use admin more, you'll see we'll build up a frequently accessed section right at the top, so you can quickly jump to some of your most utilized areas here. So we've got things like setup you can use to kind of get things started on your network branding to customize it at any point, spaces and navigation, members, gamification, moderation, invites, plans, and integrations. And you can also quickly jump to your current Mighty billing plan if you want to make adjustments. Also super useful is the ability to search. So for example, if I wanted to search for how to change colors on my network, I could just type in color and it'll jump me right to the network branding area, or I can open up colors and go to town. Now I'll close this out here because I wanted to also mention that at the space level, every space has its own admin as well. You just go to the upper right corner and click the gear icon. And you'll notice here is a very similar interface, but these are all space-specific features. So I can choose setup, space branding, which can be different from network, the space features that are available, so you can turn them on or off, the content highlights within a certain space, and then also members of the space, moderation, invites, and plans. So super simple, consistent between the two environments. If you want to set up something on a space, you go to the configure icon up here. If you want it at the network level, you just go to the upper right and go to admin. And that's it.